I'm gonna give you some length on the pole.
All right.
So you can get close without being close. Ah, this feels so weird. It's just so nice to have your legs just super tight together.
After Buckhouse takes a nap.
What up, Team Buckhouse? Today we're ripping the mono ski. If you don't know what a mono ski is, it's like two skis, but it's one. So it's a snowboard that you ride the wrong way.
Technically, it's the original snowboard.
The very first snowboard? Snowboarding the very first snowboard? Is that what we're doing today? I don't know. I don't have ski boots though, so we gotta go rent ski boots. Then I'm gonna strap in on this thing, show you guys how it's done. Show Daniel how it's done. This is Daniel's mono ski. By the way, check out his YouTube channel, linked in the description. And Daniel's a twin tipper. Sometimes he does a single board. He's a half of a snowboarder.
I like to mix it up every once in a while, you know?
Yeah, give me this thing. I'm ready. Let's do this. Oh, it's heavy.
Yeah.
Wow. It almost feels normal walking with this thing.
How's that feel initially?
Not bad at all.
Awesome. Any pain any here?
So the funniest thing about the mono ski is it's like way taller than me. Alright, we got the kicks, we're ready to rock. Oh, it feels so natural. Oh yeah, it's just so nice to have your legs just super tight together. Oh. This feels so weird. So the key to learning on a mono ski, I haven't done it yet, but I can already tell, is when you're on the lift, pretend like you're doing it. I see this going two ways. I'm gonna be incredible at it, or I'm just gonna suck. Oh, it's definitely a workout. Oh, dude, there's some POW in here too.
Oh no.
Dude, we got to take the mono ski into the POW.
I can't even do that.
Oh yeah.
Easy.
So, you guys didn't know I'm an expert skier. I've done it once in my life. If you missed that video, check it out right here. So because I'm so good at skiing, this is gonna be an easy peasy breezy. My natural instinct is like to slow down and lean backwards. We gotta go to the steeper side though. Dude, getting on a chairlift with poles is terrifying.
You're not supposed to use them, you're supposed to carry them with one hand.
Go up the real chairlift.
Ooh.
Yeah. This feel so fancy with the mono ski. All right, we gotta get an Instagram clip. If you're not following my Instagram, I lost my phone. If you're not following my Instagram, you're missing out, guys. I post bonus extra content. You would have known that we were mono skiing if you were following my Instagram. Also, you know that I'm at a basin, so you come say what's up to me. All types of bonus extra content is all on my Instagram. So follow my Instagram so you don't miss out on the bonus content. And yeah, this one's for my grandma. So yeah, this thing is not that weird, honestly. I mean, it's definitely weird. I would say if you understand what it's like to hold an edge, then you could get out here and try this thing like this. It's nothing like skiing. Because in skiing, I felt like I used my inside edge all the time. We're headed to that chairlift. We're getting out of here, or we're going to go ride the steepest, gnarliest of the gnarliest greens that a basin has to offer. Every time I hold ski poles, I just want to like, yeah! Yeah! Alright guys, this mono ski is sick. We're about to drop the blue run. It's gonna be intense. I'm a little scared. But you know what else is sick? Today's sticker shout out. We got Everett Fingren with the white Evolution sticker on the back of the truck, dude, looking so sick. As well as we got MAR Fishing 14 with the digital camo sticker on the helmet, looking so sick, dude. Guys, thank you so much for snagging Evolution stickers. If you want one, guys, or any of our Evolution merch, hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, I'm mono skiing, but we do have skier versions of all the merch, the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, skier stickers, and I just released this really awesome custom skier sticker, and it's literally, I only have like 15 of them. And so if you want it, snag it. It might be sold out. I'm sorry, but you guys have been asking for a custom skier sticker. I made one for you. You're welcome. But if you do snag any of the merch, guys, make sure you tag me on Instagram, and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. And with that, now that we've plugged the merch, it's time to send it. I'm gonna give you some length on the pole. All right. So you can get close without being close. The fate of the channel, this video, and everything's in Daniel's hands. So if he does not do a good job filming, tear him up in the comments. I'm joking, he's gonna do great. Here we go. Guys. Ow! I fell on the GoPro batteries. Like I was saying, we're at the steepest part. Now I'm actually scared. Send it!
That was almost so sick.
Doing butter. I'm literally just holding on for dear life. Standing up sucks.
Save. Let's go.
I feel like I'm doing better at this than I do with skiing, but this is more exhausting than skiing or snowboarding. There's so much arm work. Ah! All right, guys, we got our first jump. It's huge! Hey! I forgot that was even possible. The double eject. What? I was killing it too. I was like, I'm just gonna keep riding out these butters and try to make it look smooth. That was so funny, but I'm too tired to laugh. Oh man. Perfect spot to double eject. So my momentum just kept going. Horrible spot to click back in.
After Buckhouse takes a nap.
I'm so tired.
That's such a bad idea.
Alright, so Daniel's fixing the brakes because my chunky self bent them.
There you go, that should be good.
Okay.
Yeah, that should
Now I'm
be
gonna flip over without chopping your head off.
good. You got it. That one's fine now. That one's better than the other one.
Woo! To the bottom in one piece. Can't stop moving. Nope. I got one more in me. This is so much work. It's fun though. To me, it feels like doing a tail press while snowboarding. As weird as that sounds. It just feels like I'm tail pressing the whole mountain. I'm so excited to get out of this thing, I'm so tired. But I'm ripping it. No idea what clicked right there, but I started sending it. Yeah, I have no idea what clicked in my head, but it just started making sense. I've only skied once in my life. I've snowboarded a lot. This is my first time ever mono skiing. I'm very proud of myself. Comment down below how did I do on a scale of 1 to 10. Am I a pro mono skier or what?
You're the best one on the mountain for sure.
I'm definitely the best mono skier on the mountain today.
They don't need to go that far.
This has been so sick. We gotta come down. We gotta go down lower though and get a thumbnail.
Figured that one out yet. How to link those currents that crazy way?
We definitely gotta do another mono ski day with Daniel. I think we gotta do at least once a season. See if we become a professional mono skier. That'd be sick. Oh man, that was the most work I've done on the mountain though all season long. Like physically, I'm exhausted. On a serious note, if you guys could smash the like button for the mono ski video, it'd mean the world to me. Every time you guys like a video, it helps the almighty YouTube algorithm. More people can see these funny, goofy videos we do, but also If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I make a bunch of how-to sick snowboard videos and just snowboard vlogs and stuff. So check out the channel. I'm a snowboarder. But I'm starting to ski a little bit, guys. This is my second time in ski boots. And once again, big shout out to Daniel. He not only filmed this whole video, he provided the mono ski. And he's got a YouTube channel linked in the description. Me and Daniel have this really fun YouTube series we want to create. And it might be next season, but at the end of the day, it's going to be fun. So stay tuned. Goodbye to the mono ski. This thing is sexy, by the way. The design on it. Woo! I'm gonna see if I can find it online. If it is, I'll have it linked in the description if you're looking to purchase a mono ski. Or any of my snowboard gear, my goggles. I'm giving 6 pairs of these goggles away, by the way. There's a goggle giveaway. That's in the description. Bunch of awesome stuff. Check out my description. The stickers. All of it. Yeah. We came out here. We shred the gnar. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. For mono skiing with me today, shredding with me today, and as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video, not on this thing.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody.
Powder! Bleh!